The VarioFrame integrates seamlessly into the modular system of proven EVA screens. This provides a wide range of screen panels in various materials, mesh sizes and opening geometries for use as a protection deck. For example, 3D screen panels, as membrane screen panels, system screens made of PU or rubber, finger screen panels, perforated plates and other designs. In addition, tailored solutions can be developed together with the customer to meet specific installation requirements and material flows. For smaller cut sizes, a side ceiling can also be mounted on the flip-flop deck. The VarioFrame is available in various sizes. For larger machines, multiple modular frames can be installed. Their dynamics can be adapted individually, for example at the infeed or the discharge. With the VarioFrame, clogging can be prevented, while significantly enhancing screening quality.